Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a custom ink transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using a free trial downloadable asset. Let's get started. First, download the free trial ink transition asset from the link in the description. Import the downloaded ink transition asset into your Premiere Pro project. Then, delete all the stuff it brought in the timeline and open the Finals folder to find our transitions. Pick one of the transitions and drag it to the timeline. For this transition, you only need the blue part to delete the other nested parts. Preview the transition and find the one that best fits you. Place the two clips you want to transition between on the timeline, with the first clip overlapping the second for the same amount of time as the transition lasts. Arrange and cut clips like this. Next, from the Effect panel, search for Track Matte key and add it to the second video layer clip cut. From Effect Controls, change the matte to Video 3 and Composition using to Matte Luma. And that's it. A quick and creative custom ink transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.